Hey everyone, I'm Heinz and welcome to another video from SIC Forex. I hope that you are having a fantastic week, and in this video I will show you how to build your own Forex robot without any programming experience. What this means is we'll be covering all the steps for creating your own expert advisor or Forex EA from scratch. Before we begin with that, I want to ask you to show your support for the channel by smashing that like button and also subscribe and turn on the bell so that you are up to date with my future videos. So you might be wondering how we are going to create an expert advisor from scratch. And the answer is using software that has been designed to do exactly that. With just a few clicks, you can define your entry and exit rules, trading quantity, stop loss, and take profit, and then witness a detailed backtest of your strategy. Additionally, you will be able to optimize the bot to get the most out of every trade and even test it against multiple instruments at the same time. Once you are satisfied with the results, exporting your strategy as an expert advisor or trading robot for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 requires only the click of a button. So you might be wondering, what exactly is Expert Advisor Studio? The Expert Advisor Studio is a web-based application accessible on various devices such as smartphones, laptops, tablets, and even other devices. Its web-based nature allows you to use it across different browsers, enabling you to generate strategies from anywhere. Now, let's explore some of the main features of the EA Studio to help you quickly familiarize yourself with it. To get started, you can sign up for a free trial and log into your profile, and for this I have provided a link down below. The first tab that I would like to show you is called Generator. This is where the magic starts because you can generate strategies based on historical data from different brokers. Additionally, we see a wide variety of resources available, meaning you can change the desired short symbol, time frame, what you would like to process. Now, one of my favorite parts is the speed of the EA Studio, which is truly remarkable, allowing you to witness how real-time strategy calculation is happening. No more wasting time on those slow tests. Additionally, we will see under the Collection tab that the strategy properties and details are shown. And once we select them, we can see the specific strategy that generated that result, including strategy properties where we can see the entry lot, stop loss, and take profit parameters. Additionally, we can also opt for the option of fixed or trailing stop loss and take profit, and also set a specifically desired range. Additionally, the generator settings allow you to set working time acceptance criteria, which helps you filter out the strategies that you have generated. Once the strategy generator has completed its work, we'll find the different set files displayed under the strategy collection. And one click on these strategies, we can view the indicators, input parameters, stop loss, and take profit that generated that specific result. Additionally, it provides you with valuable statistics like profit per day, maximum drawdown, net profit, and additional information. You can then further refine the strategies in the collection using various criteria or create your own. Now, if you already have a strategy and wish to automate it, you can use the Expert Advisor Studio to add specific entry and exit conditions. For this example, I'm going to use two exponential moving averages that cross, and it has already duplicated the information for me in the short entry side. Additionally, under strategy properties, I'm now going to set our stop loss and take profit for this trailing strategy. And what you will see, by simply entering the fixed amount, it automatically calculates the percentage of the account that it is risked at the current entry lot size. Now, what we will see by simply trading this old-fashioned moving average cross strategy, it ends in a net negative profit. However, we can add additional entry rules and further refine the strategy. For this example, I'm going to use the relative figure index, and I'm going to change its upward direction, meaning it needs to confirm the moving average cross with a relative figure index cross. Additionally, you'll see that automatically makes a difference to our backtest net total, which is now in the positive. Additional to this, you will see there are multiple different indicators for you to choose from. And the last one that I'm going to add is none other than the Bollinger Band to confirm the up or down trend that exists. Additional to this, you can now optimize the input parameters by simply setting the minimum, maximum, and step value, and additionally optimizing the values that you would like to have. Where in the old systems this could take multiple minutes or even hours, the processing is extremely quickly. And on the right hand side, you can see the balance chart updating according to the different optimization settings, which is currently giving us the best result. And under a few seconds, you will see it has already completed over 400 calculations trying to find us the best net profit, profit per day, maximum drawdown, according to these different steps and the criteria to optimize the expert advisor that we are building. Now you'll see those few small optimizations have already made a significant difference in the total net profit of the expert advisor. So if you already have a strategy and you'd like to further optimize or see how it does before having to trade it on a demo account, this is a fantastic way to do it. Now, if you don't have your own strategy, remember that our generator has created already a few different strategies according to the historical data that we have set. And of course, what we know is that with the percentage stop loss, we can also increase our entry lot size for this example according to 1% of the account. So we are risking 1% to make a 2% return approximately. So additionally to this, at the beginning, the generator ran a few different strategies that we'll now take a closer look at and show you that you can even optimize those strategies that are in the collection. Remember, exporting a strategy is as simple as the click of a button, so you can automatically have access to it for either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. For this example, it was built around momentum, bears powers, and bull powers, and none other than a demarker indicator. For the hourly strategy, it's working currently at a stop loss of 31. However, you can further optimize the inputs because now we have the strategy that is one of the best according to the set parameters that I have created using our generator. Again, you'll see the speed at which it's able to generate all of the optimizations, meaning you can spend less time in front of the charts because you can quickly analyze any optimization in a fraction of the time. Remember, when optimizing these different expert advisors, you can also create a portfolio under the collections tab. This means you can run multiple expert advisors at the same time to further optimize its settings. So what we'll be doing moving forward is testing these expert advisors on a live market account. What I'll be using for the test is none other than a virtual private server, as we'll need to have it connected to the NetMetaTrader platform. If you'd like to learn more about how we trade Forex robots live in the market, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also hit that bell so that you're notified of any upcoming videos. So I hope that you found today's video helpful. Until next time, feel free to leave any questions or comments that you may have down below. And remember, you can sign up for a 15-day free trial today. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy trading. Bye.